Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add pronouns to YouTube channel. So first step you need to do is to open your YouTube and you need to log in into your YouTube channel first. As you can see that I am now in my channel, then you need to click on your channel profile picture on the top right. Click on view your channel. Once you are here, click on customize channel. And then you need to click on basic info. Once you are here, you can see a new option here that is about pronouns. Currently that option is not available for me, but you can find here and you need to click on that and you can easily add pronouns. So this is the process that you need to follow to add pronouns to YouTube channel. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.